How to reset WhatsApp notification settings on an iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to reset and fix WhatsApp notification settings on an iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, you gotta click on your WhatsApp application and then you gotta click on settings at the bottom right. And here you gotta scroll down till you find the option of notifications. And then when you're in the notification section, you gotta scroll all the way to the bottom and then you gotta click on reset notification settings. So note that it will reset all notification settings, including custom notification settings for your chats. Like if you have set any custom ringtone or custom anything else for a specific chat, that would be reset as well. So simply click on reset notification settings and then here you gotta click on reset. And once you do so, your WhatsApp notification settings would be reset. So that was basically how you can reset WhatsApp notification settings on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.